You're driving on a long road trip. You currently have 11 gallons of gas in your car. Each hour that you drive your car uses up 1.75 gallons of gas. How much gas would be in the tank after driving for 4 hours? And also how much gas would be left after T hours? So a couple ways you can do this. You can do it the old-fashioned way. Right here they say you currently have 11 gallons of gas in your car. Now again, that's a starting value, which we'll get to. Then it says you're going to use up, your car uses up 1.75 gallons of gas. And while this does not look like a unit rate, it does say it's for each hour up here. So that does tell us that it is the unit rate. Okay, so to figure out how much gas you're going to use after 4 hours, we'll take the starting gas value, 11 gallons, and you can just subtract 1.75 from that. Okay, now again, this is only for 1 hour, but you would have, looks like 9.25. Guess I should use a calculator, shouldn't I? 11 minus 1.75, enter. Boom, 9.25 gallons. But again, that's after 1 hour. But I have to do this for 4 hours, right? So I got to take away another hour. So that would be another 1.75 gallons, 1.75 gallons of gas for another hour. So 9.25 minus 1.75. Again, just use a calculator for that, but 7.5 gallons after 2 hours. But then we need another hour, right? We're trying to get to 4 hours, so we're going to take away another 1.75 gallons, which would show me how much gas would be left after 3 hours. So minus 1.75 from 7.5 tells me you got 5.75 gallons left after 3 hours. One more. I've got to take away another 1.75 here so that we can see how many gallons are left after 4 hours. But this would result in 4 gallons even. Okay, so how much gas would be in the tank after driving for 4 hours? What we just found there would be 4 gallons. So how much gas would be left after T hours? Okay, so this wants gas in terms of T. So again, that's Y in terms of X right here. So when we set up slope-intercept form, Y equals mx plus b, it's gallons in relationship to number of hours driven. And again, just in case you didn't realize that from this wording, the number of gallons will depend on how many hours that you've driven. So gallons is Y, and then T is the X. So they did tell us as well that you're going to use up 1.75 gallons every hour, but you're using it up, which makes that a negative 1.75 slope. And then again, they gave us a starting value of 11 gallons there, so plus 11. So again, we're just filling in the same values here for the formal equation. And again, if you wrote that as 11 minus 1.75 T, you'd still get full credit. Now, having found that equation right there, what you could have done to solve this one is you could get the equation first, and then since we want to know how much gas would be in the tank after 4 hours, you could replace that T with 4 and then solve it, but again, you'd still get the 4 gallons of gas for 4 hours. And that would produce a new ordered pair. I guess it'd be 4, but if you need ordered pairs, that's what all this information is providing as well. Like this would be 1, 9.25, 2, 7.5, and then 3, 5.75, or 4, 4.